Hello guys, today I'm going to make a paper boat. You can make it out of any sheet of paper. I'm just going to use this sheet of paper and this sheet of paper. Well, sticky note. You can do with any piece of paper. But I would not recommend you to use a square, like a post-it note, a square paper, because it's harder. But I can show you a way how to use it even with a square paper. Let's just say post-it note. So here I am. I have this piece of paper. You can make an army of a boat. You can do anything with it. I don't really care. Okay, so we're going to use this sheet of paper first. We're going to fold it like a hamburger. If you guys know, this right here, this is hamburger. This is hot dog. Teachers have taught you that in school. Now, if you're a kid right now, like in real life, then you gotta keep this even. And you gotta crease it and make sure all of this is folded. If it isn't, you'll be ending up with a bad boat. And it also has to be straight. It has to be perfect. But I'm not gonna do it perfect because I don't really care if I do it wrong. Because I have a sticky note to back me up. Okay, so the next step you want to do is fold it like this, crease it. So now you ended up with a hamburger and a folded paper. So next you want to do, fold it and crease it. Do like the other side. Fold it and crease it. Make sure you crease a lot. It doesn't have to be perfect, like I said. We're all not perfect though, but sure. So it's not looking like an airplane. I would make this into an airplane if it was an airplane video. It would have been really, really sucky though. Make sure this does not really touch the line that much, because mine is kinda. I told you, it kind of has to be perfect, but not all the way. So what you want to do next is take this part of the piece of paper right here, the front. You can take the back or the front, but I'd rather the front because it's a lot easier that way. And what you want to do is take the front tab, fold it upwards like that. So what I did was fold the tab upward. Crease it. You don't have to crease it that much. I mean, it's not like this. I'm not here to do a creasing video about boats, okay? So we're gonna crease the other side. Doesn't have to be perfect with one side. Like I said, we're all not perfect. See, it's like odd and one in. Okay, so then what you want to do is take one of these tabs and fold it inward. See what I did? Inward of the boat. And now it's right here. I want to do that to the other side. Once I do that, I take this, and that's all we gotta do. So actually we're almost done with this steps. You also have to do the same with the others corners. So once you're done with that, it should be looking like this. So the front or the back, however you want to call it, has these two flaps. I would want to call it the front, and the back it's like this. It doesn't have any flaps or anything because we folded it on the inside. I want to take, so next step, it's going to be a little tricky, but it's easy. So take the boat, see it? Okay, so fold it like this. Go inwards. You can crease it if you want to, it doesn't matter. If you want me to do that again, then make sure your flaps are closed. Okay, if you want me to do that again, here's your chance. Fold it inwards, like that. Crease it. Okay, for last time, do it again. Okay, so next step is also easy. It's like the same thing, let's just say that. Let's get crack-a-lackin'. So the next step is easy, like I said. We want to fold this on here. Then your boat will be looking like this. Like a kite, kind of. But not a kite. Well, I think it's like a kite because you like fly it. Again, like this. Okay, next is fold the other side the same way that you did with the other side. Kind of confusing, but sure. Like, again, fold the other side like the other side. You can rewind it if you like, but I will not be doing this again. Okay, so the next step is really, really, really similar as the other step before folding it like this. I'm going to take it, pull it out. Again, okay, so pull it out. And then fold it. If you want me to do it again. So you have it like right here. Pull out, fold. One last time, like I did with the boat thing. Pull out. You can also go like this, but I don't want you all to rip it. Okay, now it's the moment of truth. So, you see this flap on the outside, just turn that around, and you got to give me a countdown. 3, 2, 1, Happy New Year's! Then you have your boat. I mean, like, I could do this, like, so many times. Like, again, so, see? Just open it carefully, but I'm not going to open it. You can just go like yeet, or you could just do it real softly. So, once you're done opening this up, you're like, why is my boat like this? Well, that's like an easy question to say, to answer. All you gotta do is flip it over, crease the 2 lines here. We're gonna see 2 lines. Crease them, crease them, crease it, crease it. Your boat's gonna be kind of looking better. If it's not looking better like mine, just take it and fold it. Just fold it. Now you ended up with a boat. Yeah, and that's it. Oh, and also, you can turn your boat into a bird. I mean, if you don't want to make, like, a full bird without, like, doing all that kind of hard stuff, I'm giving you a tip. See, that's the head, this is the wings. I messed my boat up a little because the wings, like, all crumbled up. I told you, if it isn't that perfect, you might end up with a bad boat. But you can just, like, bend the wings. You have a bird right here. And I don't know if it goes far. Let's just see that. Okay, it doesn't really go far, but it is a bird, and it transforms back into the bird. A boat. Your boat's gonna be a little crumbled and wrinkled and all that kind of stuff, and it's also gonna be let's just say folded. And yeah, I'm sorry if that happens. You can make a new boat out of square if you like to, which I am too, because that was a terrible boat. This time I'm gonna make it out of sticky notes. If you make it out of sticky notes in school, take your teacher's sticky notes. This is my dad's. But if you do, then this is how you do it. So you know how the Post-it note is so sticky? There's something on here, so you know how it's so sticky? That's why it's called Post-it note. So take that. You can do it on your shirt or your leg or your pants. Because I don't have any ties, I'll do it on my shirt. You can just do it like so many times. I don't know how many. Okay, I think I'm done. You only need to do it like a few times. Like, let's see. Like for 1 minute probably. Okay, Shirley, I don't really care. I'm just gonna like rub this on my carpet because I have carpet right here, so it's nice and much better. Okay. Do not, well, if your teacher does not have carpet, well, they might do, or have it, then you might not want to try this. Your teacher will notice if she's teaching. You'll be going like this on the floor. Do not try this at school, kids, okay? Just do that at home when you're locked in your room forever. Okay, now, you do the same thing. It's just tinier in a square-like way. And it might stick, but it's going to be fine. You don't have to worry about it. So, fold it like hamburger-like. Fold it like in a square. And then put it back out. This time, you're not going to fold it all the way to the line. Because it's a square. It won't work that way, because you won't get the chance to like put the flap up and put the other flap up. So all you want to do is take it and then just put it right here. So it'll be a lot easier. And if you have big hands, this will be a good thing for you. So just put it like right here. Just put your finger here and then just see. So put your finger on the line. Okay. Just go like that. And then do on the other one. Oh gosh, I'm doing, oh yeah. Wait, no, I'm not doing it the wrong way. Okay. Take it. Go like that. Okay. You're done with this part. This is the hard part. If you're like doing it like all the way to like here, then it won't work. If you do all the way, if you do all the way to here, it would not work because you won't have a chance to raise up the flaps and the other flap. As you see, this boat is a little dirty, and it won't be a pretty boat, but it actually is decent. But don't do it if it's like on a sticky note, because you won't be that satisfied. I mean, if it's on a sticky note, you won't be that satisfied. But if you like just cut into a square, you'll be satisfied. It doesn't matter what length it is. Like, yeah, it doesn't matter what, like, how you measure it. It doesn't really matter. It's just a square. A square is a square. A quadrilateral square. So, yeah, I would think, you would think that this is actually pretty easy. But when you, like, it's easier said than done. Like, some people say that's so easy, but when you try it, it's, like, so hard. that happened to me before. So yeah. So do these steps like we did before. You can rewind this video if you like. I don't really care. Again. Okay, so unfold this. This is not good. This does not look like it's before, but it doesn't really matter. Just do the steps and then the boat will look better once you get to the point. Remember, fold it. Oh, and I'm a boat expert, so you can trust me. Oh gosh. Okay, so this one, it looks very bad. That's because of this. But you know the steps. Fold this part, these parts. And you will actually have a good square boat. You can show your friends how terrible it is. It's a boat without like the triangle thing in the middle. But it's actually something. Just do not do this because it's a waste of time. Oh, it's an epic fail. I'm sorry, guys. That took like 16 minutes. 8 minutes per a. Oh my gosh. I could do it faster than that. Oh my gosh. You want to see me try it? Hold on. Okay. I will be right back. Hello guys, so I'm back with more paper, well, one piece of paper, and I'm gonna show you how fast I can do it. I can do it better on this, but sure. And I hope you like my fortune teller video. So yeah, okay, you can count how many seconds it takes for me to make this boat out of one piece of paper without messing up like this. You see this wrinkle in it? Okay, so, okay, you can time me. Okay, ready?
Yeah, excuse me.
Set, go. I feel messed up already. Ugh. Oh no! Done. I guess. I don't know. Yes, I'm done. Okay, so it probably took me about 40 seconds to do this. I don't know why it took me 8 minutes. Probably because I had to show you. So this is my bow right here. It's not perfect. So yeah, okay, so subscribe, hit the bell, and don't forget to hit the likes and put the comments down below if you liked my video. Thank you.